Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 29, 2023. He will Sudoku. 10th row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in on the two cells. We'll confirm later. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column C, column D, and second row, we have pair numbers 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Third row, we have 6, 7, 3. So 6 and 6, 7, 3, it can't come the two cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We will confirm later. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth row, column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then first grid, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then column D, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 9. 5th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in another two cells. Then only one number is remaining, 9, and it's confirmed here. Then 4 and 7, we will confirm later. Third grade, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells, it will come in another two cells. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column H, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. Third row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then fourth row, we have 2 and 8. So 2 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in another two cells. We'll confirm later. 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row and 6th grade, we have pair numbers 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells, we'll confirm later. Column H, 9th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. Then 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. 8th row, we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. We'll confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 1. 5th row also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 1. Column E, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column H, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th grade, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. column G and column J, we have 6. So 6 column come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 column come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fourth grid, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Then the column of 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. 8th grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 8. Column J, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 8th row, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.